Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to hook up a Wii to your Samsung Smart TV step by step using the easiest methods. Let's get started. Step 1. Use the AV cables. First, locate the AV inputs on your Samsung TV. Check the back or side of the TV for the red, white, and yellow composite ports. Next, connect the Wii AV cable. Plug the red, white, and yellow connectors from the Wii into the matching colored ports on your TV. Now press the Source or Input button on your Samsung remote. Select AV from the list of input options. Your Wii screen should appear on the TV. Step 2. Use an AV to HDMI adapter. If your Samsung Smart TV does not have AV inputs, you can use an AV to HDMI adapter. Start by purchasing an adapter with AV inputs on one side and HDMI output on the other. Connect the red, white, and yellow Wii cables to the matching ports on the adapter. Then connect an HDMI cable from the adapter to an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Press the Source or Input button on your remote. Select the HDMI input connected to the adapter. Your Wii should now display on the screen. Step 3. Use a Wii HDMI adapter. You can also use a dedicated Wii HDMI adapter for a direct connection. Plug the Wii HDMI adapter into the AV multi-out port on the back of the Wii console. Connect an HDMI cable from the adapter to an available HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV. Press the Source or Input button on your remote. Select the HDMI input where the Wii is connected. Your Wii will now be ready to play. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more easy tech tutorials.